morning, students. Again, by using properties of definite integrals to solve some more problems. Now, these are property number 7 and 8 property. Using those properties to solve some simple problems. Look here, problem number 17, sub problem number 1. Evaluate integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x with respect to x. How to solve? As you know that property number 8 says, what is that? Integral from minus a to a f of x with respect to x is equal to two solutions. First solution is 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x with respect to x if the function f of x is even function. If its answer is 0, if f of x is odd function. So definition of even function is f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. Definition of odd function, f of minus x equal to minus f of x. No, f of minus x equal to f of x ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ its integral value 2 times 0 to a f of x with respect to x. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ its integral value 0. Okay. Now here it is in the form minus a to a. Now here let f of x is equal to, what is f of x value? Sin square x. Okay. Now verify whether that function is even or odd. How to calculate? Replace x by minus x. Sin square minus x. Limit power 2. Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x whole power 2, that is plus sin square x, that is equal to f of x. So f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. It is said to be even function. Therefore f of x is even function. If it is even function, its value, how can we remember it? 2 times 0 to a value pi by 2 sin square x. Okay, with respect to x. Call it as equation 1. Okay, now apply property number 4. Now that is I is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Property 4, x changes to pi by 2 minus x with respect to x by using property number 4. That is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square. Sin of 90 minus x is cos x. Sin square 90 minus x is cos square x. Okay. Now add these two equations. See what happened? Equation 1 plus equation 2. Now here equation 1 plus 2 gives equation 1 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x. Equation 2 is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. Left side I plus r. 2I is equal to 2 common integral from 0 to pi by 2 equation 1 sin square x plus equation 2 cos square x with respect to x. Okay, 2I equal to 2 times. Now divide both sides by 2, that is I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x trigonometric identity 1 with respect to x. Okay, now that is, what is the integral of 1? You know, that is x between the limits to 0 to pi by 2. That is, put x equal to pi by 2 minus 0. So I is equal to pi by 2. Correct? Pi by 2 is the answer. Okay? Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Same type, second one ಏನಿದೆ? Evaluate integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin power 7x with respect to x. Again, no, read second one. Integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin power 7x with respect to x. Again, apply property number 8. Now here let f of x is equal to sin power 7x. Verify whether that function is even function or odd function. Replace x by minus x. Sin power 7 minus x. Limit power 7. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x whole power 7, that is minus sin raised to 7x, that is equal to minus f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore the function f of x is odd function. If it is odd function, its integral value become 0. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ how it is 0 reason ಕೊಡಿ ಟೈಪ್. Okay, so this is second problem. Whereas third problem, evaluate integral from 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x with respect to x. Now apply property number 7. What is that property 7? Integral from 0 to 2a f of x with respect to x is equal to two solutions. First solution 2 into integral from 0 to half of the upper limit f of x with respect to x. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, if its answer is 0, if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Now verify. 2a place in there, 2i. Okay. So here f of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos raised to 5 2 pi minus x. That is, leave it power 5. If the angle 360 minus x, trigonometric ratios remain same, but 360 minus x lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Now this is positive. That is equal to f of x, because f of x value cos raised to 5x. F of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x. So f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Its integral value 2 times integral from 0 to half of the upper limit pi cos raised to 5x with respect to x. Okay. Now again, once again apply property number 7, that result. Now again let f of x is equal to cos raised to 5x. Now replace f of 2a minus x. 2a place lo just ಇದೆ pi ಇದೆ. Pi minus x is equal to cos raised to 5 pi minus x. Leave it power 5. If the angle 180 minus x, t ratios remain same, but 180 minus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. Cos is negative. That is minus f of x. ಯಾವ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು? ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. What is its integral value? 0. Now directly its integral value is 0. How it is 0? Reason, because that reason. Okay, so that the given problem value become 0. First to property 7 apply ಮಾಡಿ. Once again apply property number 7. Okay, whereas problem number 4, fourth problem ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ? Integral from -1 to 1 sin power 5x into cos power 5x with respect to x. Now given f of x is equal to sin power 5x cos power 5x. Apply property number 8. What is that property 8? Whether it is even function or odd function, you have to check it. Now replace x by minus x. F of minus x is equal to sin power 5 minus x into cos power 5 minus x. Okay. Sin of minus x is minus sin x minus sin power 5x. Cos of minus x equal to plus cos x, that is cos power 5x. Correct? Because cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Okay. That is minus sin power 5x into cos power 5x. Given data f of x. ಏನು ಬಂತಿದ್ದು? f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore the function f of x is odd function. ನೋಡಿ, odd function ಇದ್ದಾಗ property number 8, if it is odd function, its integral value become 0. Okay, one mark question. Property 8 prove ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು and hence evaluate such type of problem. ಇದು 1 mark ಇರುತ್ತೆ, property 8 5 mark, totally 6 mark. Clear ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Okay. Next problem, problem number 5. Evaluate integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x with respect to x. Okay, now here apply property number 8. What is property 8? Integral from minus a to a f of x with respect to x is equal to two solutions 2 times 0 to a f of x with respect to x. If the condition f of x is even function, if it is 0, if f of x is odd function. Check it. Now here f of x is equal to given x cube plus x into cos x. Now verify whether it is even or odd function. How to identify even function? Definition of even function, you know. What is even function? F of minus x is equal to plus f of x. It is said to be even function. Odd function f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. It is said to be odd function. Now replace x by minus x. What happened? Minus x whole power 3 plus replace x by minus x into cos of minus x. Minus x to the power of 3 is minus x cube plus minus x cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x. That is minus x cube plus into minus x cos x. Take minus common, x cube plus x cos x. That is minus x cube plus x cos x given data f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Therefore the function f of x is odd function. If it is odd function, its integral value become 0. Hagadre integral value 0. Okay. Then problem number 6. Main problem number 17. Sub problem number 6. Integral from 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 with respect to x. Now apply property number 2. What is property 2? Integral from a to b f of x with respect to x is equal to, in between two numbers a and b, one more number, middle number, by taking say in general c, f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Correct? Now here, but f of x value here modulus function given. Mod function kottaga don't take exactly middle number. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How to solve? Now definition of modulus function in the definition of modulus function. Remember, mod x is equal to x if x is more than 0 or equal to 0. If it is mod x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. This is the definition of modulus function. You know, graph of the modulus function like this. Okay, so that is V shape. That this is the graph of the modulus function, isn't it? Right side positive value, left side negative value. Now here mod of x minus 1. Now put x minus 1 is equal to capital X. ಈ x minus 1 is capital X ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Mod of capital X. Now mod of capital X value x minus 1 is equal to x itself, that is capital X itself, if the condition x minus 1 more than 0 implies x is more than, that minus 1 goes to right side plus 1, right? Implies x is more than 1. If it is minus x value is here minus x minus 1. If x minus 1 less than 0, that is x is less than 1. So that in between 0 and 4, what is the middle number here in this example? 1. Don't take 0 and 4 middle number, don't take 2. 2 ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Modulus notation ಇಲ್ದಾಗ. Mod ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ using that concept, using the definition of modulus function to find out the middle number. So in between 0 and 4 middle number is 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x minus 1 is the middle number 1. Suppose ಇದೆ x plus 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ middle number is minus 1. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 1 is the middle number 1, x plus 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ middle number minus 1. So how to write? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? Therefore integral from 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 with respect to x is equal to, in between 0 and 4 next number is 1, so we can write 0 to 1 mod x minus 1 with respect to x plus 1 to 4 mod x minus 1 with respect to x. Now modulus remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, that is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means what? More than 0 less than 1. More than 0 less than 1. 0 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು less than 1. Less than 1 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆ. If x is less than 1, its value is, its modulus value is minus of x minus 1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Plus 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means more than 1 less than 4. More than 1 ಇದೆನಾ? ಇದೆ. Yes, its value is plus x minus 1.
using that concept by removing modulus notation. Then simple integrate. Now minus integrate. What is integral of x? X square by 2 minus integral of 1 is x between the limit 0 to 1. Similarly here integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of 1 is x between the limits 1 to 4. Now put x equal to upper limit 1 square 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 0 square is 0 by 2 is 0 minus 0 plus put x equal to upper limit 4 square 16 by 2 minus 4 minus lower limit 1 square 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplify minus 1 by 2 minus 1 LCM 2 that is minus 1 by 2, right? This is 0 plus 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 LCM is 2 that is minus 1 by 2, right? That is minus into minus plus 1 by 2 plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 half plus half full 1 that is 1 plus 4 that is 5 is the answer for integral from 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ x minus 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ in between 0 and 4 number is 1. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x plus 2 ಇದೆ in between minus 5 to plus 5 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we take opposite side minus 2. Here x minus 5 in between 2 and 8 ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು plus 5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲೇ plus 5. ಓಕೆ ಈ 7th one ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, next problem similar to sixth problem. Problem number 7. Integral from minus 5 to 5 mod x plus 2 with respect to x. Again modulus. Definition of modulus is so modulus of definition of mod function. Put x plus 2 is equal to capital X. Now mod of capital X is equal to capital X itself. Isn't it? If the condition capital X more than 0 implies but capital X value x plus 2 more than 0 that is x is more than minus 2. Now again mod of capital X is equal to minus capital X if capital X less than 0 implies x is less than that plus 2 goes to right side minus 2. So in between minus 5 to plus 5 by taking another number is minus 2 by using property number 2 hence integral from minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 with respect to x can be written as how to write in between minus 5 and 5 minus 5 to minus 2 mod x plus 2 with respect to x plus minus 2 to minus 5 mod x plus 2 with respect to x. Now remove the modulus notation. So how to remove it? Minus 5 to minus 2. Now integral from minus 5 to minus 2 means what? More than minus 5 less than minus 2. More than minus 5 less than minus 2. Yes, if it is less than minus 2, what is its value? Minus of x plus 2 with respect to x plus integral from minus 2 to minus 5. Minus 2 to minus 5 it means more than minus 2 less than minus 5. More than minus 2 is there. Its value is plus x plus 2, right? Then integrate, that is minus integral of x is x square by 2 integral of 2 is 2x between the limits minus 5 to minus 2 plus integral of x is x square by 2 plus integral of 2 is 2x between the limits minus 2 to minus 5 that is minus put x equal to upper limit minus 2 square 4 by 2 plus 2 into x value minus 2 that is minus 4 this is upper limit minus lower limit put x equal to minus 5 minus 5 square 25 by 2 plus 2 into x value minus 5 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus again put x equal to upper limit minus 5 square 25 by 2 2 into x value minus 5 that is minus 10 minus put x equal to minus 2 minus 2 square 4 by 2 2 into x value minus 2 that is minus 4. Then simplify minus of 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 25 by 2 minus 10 take the LCM is 2 1 twos are 10 twos are 20 25 minus 20 5 by 2 right plus again 25 by 2 minus 2 LCM is 2 1 twos are 2
2, that is 10, 20, 25 minus 20, 5 by 2, minus 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 minus 4, minus. That is minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 5 by 2, right? Plus 5 by 2, minus into minus plus 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus 5 by 2, plus 5 by 2. Now again take the LCM. LCM is 2, 1 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 4 2s are 8, plus 5, plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 5, 18 divided by 2, that is nothing but 9 is the answer. Similarly, 8th problem. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5 with respect to x. Again same concept. Put x minus 5 is equal to capital X. Now here mod of capital X is equal to capital X. If capital X is more than 0, what is capital X value? X minus 5 more than 0 implies x is more than 5. Now capital X is equal to modulus of capital X is equal to minus capital X. If capital X less than 0 implies x is less than 5. In between 2 and 8 by taking another number is 5. Okay, x is more than 5. Here x is less than 5. So therefore we can write 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 with respect to x by using property number 8. We write 2 to 5 mod x minus 5 with respect to x plus integral from 5 to 8 mod x minus 5 with respect to x. Now remove the modulus notation. So 2 to 5, integral from 2 to 5. 2 to 5 it means what? More than 2, less than 5. ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ less than 5 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. If it is less than 5, its modulus value is minus x minus 5 with respect to x plus 5 to 8. 5 to 8 means more than 5, less than 8. More than 5, its modulus value is plus x minus 5 with respect to x. Now that is equal to integrate minus integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of 5 is 5x between limits 2 to 5. Integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of 5 is 5x between the limits 5 to 8. That is minus, put x equal to upper limit 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 5s are 25 minus x equal to lower limit 2 square 4 by 2 minus 5x, x value 2, 5 2s are 10. Correct? Plus, put x is 8, 8 square 64 by 2 minus 5x, 5 into x, 5 into 8, 40. Minus lower limit x is 5, 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 into 5, 20. Then simplify minus LCM is here 2, in between these two LCM 2, 1 2s are 2, 25 minus 25 2s are 50, 25 minus 50 minus 25 by 2, correct? Minus 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 minus 10 minus 8 plus 64 by 2, 2 1s are 2 32s are, correct? 2 1s are 2 32s are. So 32 minus 40 minus 8 minus LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2, 25 minus 50 minus 25. That is equal to minus into minus plus 25 by 2 minus into minus plus 8, then plus into minus minus 8 minus into minus plus 25 by 2 plus 8 minus 8 cancel 25 by, that is minus 8, right? Because minus into minus plus into minus minus plus into minus minus 8 plus 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2 minus 8 minus 60. Then further simplify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Next step 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2. Here LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. LCM is 2. 25 plus 25, that is 50 divided by 2 minus 60. Right? Again from those two LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 50 minus 60 2s are 30. 50 minus 32, that is 18, correct? Divided by 2, that is 2 1s are 2 9s are. 9 is the answer. Okay? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ.
and by using modulus notation ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ x minus 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x plus 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ minus 2, x minus 5 plus 5. In between 2 and 8, next number is 5. Okay, now these are the problems by using properties of definite integration. Okay, now one problem, try yourself, that is homework problem, that is evaluate integral from 0 to 5 by 2 sin power 4x divided by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x with respect to x. So its answer is, after simplification answer become pi by 4. Apply property number 4. One property 4 apply ಮಾಡಿ you type solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ already problem. Okay, its answer is pi by 4. Try ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Okay, so this completes the applications of properties of definite integrals. Notice there are totally 8 important properties. You must practice it. Those 8 important properties of definite integrals practice ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು, because they will ask in final exam in your question paper part E question number 49A sub question A 6 mark ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಟೋಟಲಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.